Well, good morning, Cruella.
I knew I smelled rotten tilapia. You still ain't washed your vagina, bitch? You know, y'all like to say this new year, new me bullshit. Ain't nothing changing over here, okay? New year, same me. And all y'all can sit y'all asses down. You tried me last year, you gonna get got. You try me this year, you'll get got.
I'm too rich in my life to do broke ass shit. I should beat your ass. You listening to me?
No, I'm listening to you right now, and what I hear is a lot of bullshit and stuff
Cruella,
that I don't have
grow the
time
hell
for.
up.
Cruella,
She's
nothing.
your friend.
What about your friends? Will they stand their ground or they'll let you down and I pay their bills on time?
I ain't
Do you have my
paying you
motherfucking
shit.
money, bitch?
What you gonna
I'm
do
gonna
with
do
that?
with this is I'm gonna sweep your ass off my
You
damn
ain't gonna
property.
touch me.
Please exit my
Let her
premises.
come get her stuff.
She ain't got shit in here.
I have
You don't
plenty
have
of stuff
anything in
in
here.
there.
What you
Yes,
do have,
I
I'm
do.
keeping for collateral, bitch, because you ain't
Collateral?
gave me my damn
Who's
money.
collateral?
Do you have my money?
What are you doing?
Do you have my money?
Girl.
Cruella, maybe if you got a man, you wouldn't be so bitter.
And maybe if you got off Grindr, you could find true love.
Really,
You know,
bitch?
Grindr is like DoorDash for dick. You
Why
would
are
know
you
about
telling
that,
my
huh?
business
You
right
should come and
now?
advertise for Grindr, because you do a lot of DoorDashing
doing
for
the
dick,
most
Jafar.
right now,
That's what
Cruella.
you do.
Fuck
You talk
you,
about me.
Cruella.
No, you always like to talk about what
I
I need,
was trying
bitch.
to
I got a
help
fucking
your
dildo
ass.
in my dresser, bitch. I don't need a man.
TMI,
I'm
bitch.
happy being single
I
and
don't
alone.
care, TMI.
You worry about your DoorDash for dick, bitch.
Fuck you.
Do you have
Get your
my
finger out
money?
my face, bitch.
Run me my money,
I ain't
bitch.
paying you shit. How
Run
about
me my
that?
money, bitch. If you start letting people walk over you, you become a doormat, and I ain't nobody's bitch. But you would know about being a doormat, wouldn't you, Jafar?
I'm the only friend you have right now,
somebody done got a little bit sensitive. I'm
letting
sorry.
you know,
Did
okay?
I
I
hit
don't have
I hit
to
a nerve, huh?
I don't have to shit over
I hit
here,
a nerve.
bitch.
I'm sorry,
You didn't hit
doormat.
shit,
I'm sorry
okay?
that you let
I
people
can
walk
leave,
over
Cruella.
you. Get the fuck up and do for yourself and not for others, bitch.
You're being real
Do
basic
you
and
have
bitter
my
right
money?
now. Are you done?
Run me my money, bitch. Run me my money, bitch. Boom da clap. The name on this lease right now is Cruella DeVille.
Why are you
okay?
yelling right now?
Huh?
Tone it down.
Right. We don't have anything else
This
to
ain't the
discuss
work of the
right
Lord,
now.
Cruella.
Why all these people
I'ma
showing
pray
up
for
anyway?
you, bitch.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Fierce, fabulous, and things you'll never understand, ho.
I beg your pardon.
Fierce, fabulous, and things you'll never understand, ho. Why all these
Don't
people
clap at
showing
me,
up
bitch.
right now? You trying to jump me?
Oh,
Bitch, I can
You
hear
trying
you
to be
by
about that
myself,
life?
okay?
Shut up.
We can do this.
Girl.
You know, Disney might not pick this up, but I do believe that there's a platform for some type of network or streaming service. I mean, if those Kardashian hoes can make a living off of it, so can we, can't we? Okay, y'all stay mad about it. I'll see y'all next time.